is network marketing? Does it still work today? Network marketing is a decades-old marketing model that involves selling legitimate products at fair prices directly to consumers who need them, instead of distributing to stores. For companies, this is a lucrative way to sell their products and expand their reach, with minimum marketing costs and no salaried workforce. For distributors, it's an opportunity to start their own small business with flexible working hours. This marketing model is also called multi-level marketing, or MLM. How exactly does MLM work? In multi-level marketing, companies first recruit a group of salespeople who are passionate about their product and/or service. Rather than paying them a salary, companies offer to sell them the product or service at a discounted price and encourage them to sell it to others for the full market price and take the profit they make. Many of these salespeople or distributors reinvest the money they earn to buy more products. Apart from encouraging them to go out and sell the product, companies also encourage their distributors to recruit new distributors themselves. In turn, they will receive a small percentage from each sale made by their recruits, who are commonly referred to as their downline, and the process continues. Is network marketing a pyramid scheme? If you try to draw a scheme of the network marketing model with the company on top, the primary distributors in the second row, and all the other recruits in the rows below, it will indeed look like a pyramid. However, multi-level marketing isn't a pyramid scheme in the legal sense of the term. There are several differences between multi-level marketing and a pyramid scheme. For one, whereas the former is considered legal, the latter isn't. Multi-level marketing is usually transparent and built around legitimate products or services, while all pyramid schemes are essentially scams. MLM companies won't ask distributors to pay sizable registration fees, memberships, or buy large quantities of the product up front. If a distributor fails to sell their inventory and wants to return some of it, most MLM companies will offer to buy it back for a percentage of what the distributor originally paid. With pyramid schemes, every sale is final. Does network marketing still work? Since the 1930s, several companies have managed to use network marketing to their advantage and build brands with global recognition. It all started with the California Perfume Company, which is still going strong under its current name, Avon. Other notable success stories include Tupperware, Mary Kay, Amway, United Credit Services, and Pampered Chef. With social media, e-commerce platforms, and easy-to-build websites readily available, there are more opportunities than ever for independent distributors to market and sell their products. At the same time, however, there is also more competition than ever. Distributors must invest a lot of time and effort to find customers, sell their products, and make a living. Is network marketing the right choice for you? If you're hoping to get filthy rich from network marketing, the chances of that happening are very slim. As with any other business model, that is reserved only for the lucky few. Similarly, if you see network marketing as an opportunity to earn money without actually working, that is not going to happen either. That said, network marketing is nowhere near as time-consuming as a full-time office job, and is certainly a lot more convenient. Because you're working from home, you have a lot more flexibility than you would otherwise, and it's a legitimate way to earn a part-time and even a full-time income. We hope this helps answer your questions. Click on the link below to find out the 3 biggest mistakes that most network marketers make and how to avoid them.